And welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 4th, 2025, and we're diving into C3AI's fiscal second quarter 2026 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. C3AI, a leader in enterprise AI application software, has just released its Q2 2026 results, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with their strong performance in the federal sector.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. C3AI reported a total revenue of $75.1 million for the quarter. How does this compare to their previous performance, and what does it indicate about their business model?
Well, the total revenue increased by 7% quarter over quarter, which is a positive sign. The subscription revenue, which makes up 93% of the total, was $70.2 million. This indicates a strong recurring revenue model, which is crucial for stability and growth. The GAAP gross profit was $30.4 million, with a 40% margin, while the non-GAAP gross profit was $40.9 million, representing a 54% margin. This shows that C3AI is effectively managing its costs and improving profitability.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 75 cents based on a survey of 5 analysts. How did C3AI perform in terms of earnings per share?
C3AI reported a GAAP EPS of 75 cents, which was in line with the forecast. However, on a non-GAAP basis, the EPS was 20 cents, significantly better than expected. This non-GAAP figure excludes stock-based compensation and other non-cash expenses, providing a clearer picture of the company's operational performance.
Federal business and strategic partnerships. John, C3AI's federal business seems to be a major growth driver. Can you elaborate on their performance in this sector and the role of strategic partnerships?
Absolutely. The federal business saw an 89% year-over-year growth in bookings, which is remarkable. This sector now represents 45% of total bookings. C3AI closed 46 agreements this quarter, including significant deals with government agencies and major corporations. Notably, 89% of these bookings were driven through their partner ecosystem, highlighting the strength and leverage of their strategic alliances with companies like Microsoft and AWS.
Future outlook and CEO commentary. Looking ahead, what guidance has C3AI provided for the next quarter and the full fiscal year? And what are the key takeaways from the CEO's commentary?
C3AI has provided a revenue guidance of $72 million to $80 million for the third quarter and $289.5 million to $399.5 million for the full fiscal year. CEO Stephen Ehikian emphasized a detailed execution plan focusing on areas where they have leadership and customer success. He believes this will facilitate a return to growth and a pathway to cash generation and non-GAAP profitability.
Key takeaways. In summary, C3AI has delivered a solid quarter with strong growth in the federal sector and effective use of strategic partnerships. Their non-GAAP EPS beat expectations, and they have a clear plan for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing C3AI's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on C3AI's performance in the comments below.